Location, location, location. This immaculate 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 walk-in closet condo next to the pool and the amenities has been upgraded with brand new premium 12mm laminate wood flooring with noise-resistant underlayment, tons of natural light. This open floor plan will have you falling in love the second you step through the door. Spacious bedrooms with walk-in closets offer their own privacy with the unit's split design, while allowing the openness of the main living spaces to be the perfect entertainment area. Balcony is the perfect spot for your morning coffee. Enjoy the reserve amenities from the gorgeous pool, basketball courts, pool room, exercise room and more. You'll have all the shopping at your fingertips on this side of town, while enjoying a peaceful lifestyle in this gated community.